In today's digital age, social media platforms have become powerful tools for personal branding and networking. Among these platforms, Twitter stands out as a fast-paced microblogging site that allows users to share their thoughts and engage with others in real time. With millions of active users, it is crucial to make a strong first impression on Twitter if you want to stand out from the crowd. To help you achieve this, here are 5 key elements for creating a standout profile that will leave a lasting impact. Choose an eye-catching profile picture. Your profile picture is the first thing people see when they visit your Twitter page, so it needs to make an instant impact. Opt for a high-quality image that reflects your personality or brand identity. Whether it's a professional headshot or a well-composed photo showcasing your interests, ensure it accurately represents who you are and what you stand for. Craft an engaging bio. Your bio is like an elevator pitch. It should be concise yet compelling enough to grab attention and pique curiosity about who you are and what you do. Use emotional objectives such as captivate, intrigue, or inspire by describing yourself in unique terms that set you apart from others in your field. Focus on highlighting your expertise or passions while injecting some personality into the mix. Showcase your expertise through pinned tweets. Pinning tweets at the top of your profile allows visitors to quickly grasp what makes you valuable or interesting within seconds of landing on your page. Choose tweets that showcase your expertise, recent accomplishments, or thought-provoking insights related to your industry or niche market. Curate relevant content with consistency. Consistency is key when building credibility on Twitter. Therefore, curating relevant content regularly is essential to maintaining engagement and attracting new followers. Share articles, videos, or infographics that align with your interests and expertise. By consistently providing valuable content to your audience, you establish yourself as a reliable source of information within your field. Engage authentically with others. Twitter is not just about broadcasting. It's also about building connections and engaging in meaningful conversations. Take the time to respond to comments, retweet interesting posts from others, and participate in relevant Twitter chats or discussions using hashtags related to your industry. Genuine engagement shows that you are actively involved in the community and interested in what others have to say. By implementing these 5 key elements into your Twitter profile, you will create a standout presence that captures attention and leaves a lasting impression on visitors. However, mastering the art of first impressions on Twitter requires more than just following these guidelines. It demands consistency and dedication. Why is this important? In today's competitive digital landscape, making an impact within seconds can make all the difference between gaining new followers or being overlooked entirely. A standout profile sets you apart from countless other users vying for attention on Twitter by showcasing who you are authentically while highlighting what makes you unique. How can this be achieved? By carefully selecting an eye-catching profile picture that accurately represents you or your brand identity, crafting an engaging bio using emotional objectives to captivate readers' interest instantly while injecting personality into it. Additionally, pinning tweets at the top of your profile allows visitors to grasp what makes you valuable quickly. When should one start working on their Twitter profile? The answer is now. Building a strong online presence takes time. Therefore, starting early ensures that potential followers see consistent engagement from day one rather than encountering a sparse timeline devoid of activity. To summarize, choose an eye-catching profile picture. Craft an engaging bio. Showcase expertise through pinned tweets. Curate relevant content with consistency. Engage authentically with others. In conclusion, mastering the art of first impressions on Twitter is crucial for anyone looking to make a lasting impact in the digital world. By implementing these 5 key elements into your profile, you can create a standout presence that captures attention and engages others. Remember, building an authentic and consistent online persona takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. So go ahead, optimize your Twitter profile today and start making waves in the Twitter sphere.